Hello. So we are now in the fourth part of question 3. It's a very long question. Again, let's not waste waste our time, and let's start with first putting down the obvious numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13. So let us do the state transition diagram. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, let's start with the easy one. So from 0 to 1, this is the A, and this is B. I'll try to go a little bit faster since we did this already in the previous 3 sessions. The next thing is we update I, but then again, and update X. It's very important to do this methodically, because or step by step, because it's very easy to make mistakes, really easy. Okay, so I updated I, updated X. Next step will be from 1 to 2. This goes by B. So from for X, if I see an A, it will go to state 1. So this would go by itself. This will be 1. Then update I. Very important. So this updating of I is one step that is very easy to forget. Updating of I, updating of X is a step that is very easy to forget. So if X sees a B, it stays in state 0 again. So nothing is being done. It's fine. Next, from 2 to 3, this is A. And what will happen if state X sees a B? It will stay at state 0. So this will be at 0. So this will go back to 0. So we fill the column, we increment the I. Increment the I. And we look at X. What will happen to X if it sees an A? So now it will go to state 1. Okay, next. 3 to 4. This is A. What will happen to A if I see another A? It goes to state 1. Sorry. What happened to state X if I see a B? It will go to state 2. And so at this point, this goes back to state 2. This is a B. So if I update this, this will be 2. And yeah, so that's it. So the next thing is I want to update my I. I goes, if I do it correctly, I goes to the next. Okay. What will happen to X if it sees an A? It stays in state 1, so it doesn't change. Next, from 4 to 5, I have to see a B. So this will be a B. From 4, let's see if A comes. What happens to X if I see a A? It will stay at state number. It will stay at state number 1. So this would go back to state number 1. A. So this will be 1. So I update my I. And what will happen if X sees a B? It goes to state number 2. Okay. So next, 5 to 6, this is a A. What will happen to state X if it sees a B? If it sees a B, it will go all the way to state 0. So this is the sticks and ladders. This will go all the way to 0. So this is 0. Increment the I will go to the next over here and update my X. What will happen to X if I feed it with a A? It will go to state 3. Okay, good. 6, 7, 6 to 7 is another A. 6 to 7. What will happen to our X state if it sees a B? It goes to state 2. Okay, so let me update this. Goes to state 2. So now I update my I. I goes into the next, and my J. Sorry, and my X. What happened to X if I see a B? Sorry. What happened? Because my A is now my I is now at A. So what happened to X if I see an A? It goes to state 4. Okay, state 4. Now 7 to 8. 7 to 8 is again another A. So if at state X it sees a B, it will go to state 5. So this will go to state 5 for the B. So this will be 5. And update my I. And update my X. What will happen to X if it sees another A? If it sees another A, it will go to states. Let us see where it will go to. Sees another A. It will go to state number 1. So X, if it sees another A, this goes all the way back to state number 1. Okay, so if it sees let me see, where's my yeah, so it sees another A, this will go all the way back to, sorry, a bit dreaming, state number 1, another A, and this is actually a, from 8 to 9 is a B. So this will be state number 1. So let's update our I. Now X. What will happen to X if I see the letter B? You'll go to state 5. I'll move this to state 5. Okay, so 9 to 10 is letter A. What happened to X if I see the letter B? It will go all the way to 0. Oh no. So this will go all the way to 0. So take the sticks and letters. So this will go all the way back to 0. And so I need to update this to 0. Update I will come over here. I will come over here. And X is now over here. If it sees another 8, it will go to state number 6. So this will go to state number 6. Let me try state 6. Okay, now 10 to 11, and then again this is another A. So what will happen to X if it sees a B? It will go to state number 2. So this goes to state number 2. If it sees a B, I update my table. Update I. update I, and update my x. Yeah, update my x. Sorry, x. What happened to x if I see another a? It will go to 7. So this goes to 7. Okay, almost done. 11 to 12. Again, another a. What happened to x if it sees a b? It goes to 5. So this goes to 5. This is b. So this goes to 5. I increment my I. Increment my I. And I check for my j. J is now at state number 7. If it sees another 8, it will go to state number 8. So it should go to state number 8. Last one from 12 to 13. This should be a B. So but let's look at what will happen to X, state X, if it sees a A. If it sees a A, if it sees a A at state X, what will happen is that it will go all the way to state number 1. Okay, that was what we established earlier. So if you see a state, if you see the character A at state 12, it will go all the way to state number 1. It's very sad. So this is A. And so this should be the number. So this is the solution to part 4 of question 3.